Okay, how to add? Now we use the Tuya app. Okay, before that I have to do clean. Just long press till the yellow light flash one time. Okay, and then I add it. This address. You can see this is how much, and you must use the Wi-Fi 2.4G. Now connecting. Okay, done. You can see here's the surface of the gateway. Now we need to add the accessories for our cyber device. Okay. For this, how to add? I just do.
Add accessory.
Okay, just have a press.
Pairing succeeded.
Okay.
Add device to living room.
This one is for bathroom, so I just press one.
Add device to master bedroom.
Master bathroom.
Add device to second bedroom. Add device to kitchen. Add device to bathroom.
Okay, bathroom is done. So I just add it. Not press one time. Okay.
Pairing succeeded.
Okay, it's done.
Add device to bathroom.
Okay, I continue to add.
Add device to balcony. Add device to entrance hall.
Entrance hall. So I can add this one to entrance hall. Okay.
Pairing succeeded.
Okay, it's done. Because it's the wireless interconnected. Okay, you can hear.
Add device to entrance hall.
Okay, this is for heat, maybe for
Add device to dining room.
dining room. I think maybe living room.
Add device to study room.
Study room. Yeah, study room.
Add device to corridor. Add device to living room.
Okay, living room. Okay, just.
Pairing succeeded.
Okay, it's done. Okay, now all these 4 items into the gateway.
Add device to living room.
It will be disappeared after 6 seconds, so we have to wait. Now we need to
add device to living room.
Maybe use 3 times. So because now
add device to living room.
we can only wait.
Add device to living room. Add device to living room. Unpair.
Okay, now we do the wireless interconnected for the gateway and all other sub devices. Just long press till this flash 3 times. Okay, now it's on the pressure for receiving message. You see? Okay. Now I'm doing a test. Okay. So just a test. Just for the test. Okay. It will disappear. Okay. Just for the smoke test.
Smoke alarm in entrance hall. Smoke alarm in entrance hall.
You can see all the device also
Smoke
for
alarm in
the
entrance hall.
app. Okay. I just for the remote control
alarm
to
in
make
entrance
it
hall.
silence, I put it. You can see it's for others, yeah, for the server devices, it's silent. Only for the master.